Welcome everyone to my channel, Meals with Mills. I want to quickly say something to all my wonderful viewers and subscribers. I have now reached 1K subscribers and I wouldn't be able to be here without all of you. So I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart, as well as my family, for supporting me all the way and for the wonderful comments and ideas that you have helped me out to improve the channel. This is for you and I thank you again. Tonight's menu, I will be making bacon wrapped steak burrito. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for our dish: lime, large onion, avocado, a home blend burrito seasoning, tomatoes, coriander or cilantro, mozzarella cheese, bacon, beef Porterhouse steak, tortilla large wraps, olive oil, mayonnaise, and Chipotle homemade sauce. Some of these blends I have made from home. I will link every ingredient and spices in the description box below, so check it out in there. I will have everything available in there. I'm going to marinate our steak by adding some olive oil first. Okay, and on both sides. And then I'll go ahead with my burrito seasoning mix, my homemade mix, and just sprinkle some on top of the steak, and then do the same for both sides. You can also buy the burrito seasoning from the store and just use that. I just like to do my own blending at home. That way I can do heaps and have some store away for next time. So our beef or steak is fully covered with our seasoning. Just pressing the spices into the steak. I'll leave it in the tray, put a cover on it, and then just put it aside for a few minutes while I prepare my other ingredients. So I have used about 1 to 2 tablespoons so far of the marinade. I can add more later on. I'm going to cut my veggies now. Start with my lime. Just cut a few slices of lime and just put it aside on the plate. Next up, I'll go with the tomatoes. So thank you again, everyone. I feel so touched and grateful for all of you for helping me to get where I am now, reaching 1,000 subscribers. Never in a million years I thought that I'll get 1,000 subscribers. I just started this channel for a few personal reasons, and one of them was to encourage and help my children learn to cook, especially my daughter, as well as having recipes available for them later on, and also to share my passion and love for cooking. But I am so grateful that I have come this far, and I have met so many wonderful, wonderful people since I started this channel. So thank you again, my dear families and friends, YouTube family and community. This is for you, everyone. Our tomatoes pretty much done. Next up, I'll cut our onions. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil on my grill. I'm using my electric grill tonight just to cook our steak. Okay. So we'll cook our steak for about 3 minutes, or I would say 2 minutes on each side, just until the steak is cooked through. Turn our steak around. Look at that beautiful color. I will let our steak sit on the board for now. Just let it rest on the board, because we will go ahead and cut it very shortly. Look at that beautiful color. I'll let this rest for about a few minutes. We will come back and continue on, or finish off the rest of our dish. Okay, be right back, everyone. So our meat's been rested for a few minutes. We are going to slice them small, and it's quite nice and juicy, ready for to assemble our burrito. See, it's well cooked. Yum. Let's add our meat back into the grill. We're just gonna gently heat it up again, have it ready to assemble our burrito. I've added some onions too, and we'll go ahead and heat up our tortilla. Feel free to add more of the burrito seasoning if you want. Let's put our tortilla on a plate. Move this here on the side for now. Excuse me guys, my bench is a little bit small and our steak is still cooking away. We will go ahead and add some of our cheese, and then some of the steak with some of the onions. Okay, that should be enough onions, maybe more steak. Okay, avocado, some tomatoes, and then mayonnaise on top. Let's try and wrap this together, and we will go ahead with our bacon and wrap it around the burrito. Might be a little bit messy, but hey, do what you can. If you don't want the bacon, you can leave the bacon aside. I will do some with bacon and some without. Maybe my bacon is too thick. Too much, isn't it? I'll just do one more. Do another one. Some cheese. Some avocado. Onions and tomatoes. Some cilantro as well. And mayonnaise. And I'll do this plain. Okay everyone, I have made one bacon wrapped burrito for myself, and the rest is without bacon for the rest of the family. So there's 4 of us, and there's 4 burrito here. My bacon's quite thick, so I couldn't wrap it around as good as it should be. But if you get a thinner slices of bacon and wrap it around, it will go really well. But I'm just making do with what I have tonight, the bacon I got from the shop. And here what it looks like. It's crispy on the other side now. We're just gonna do the same with the rest, and we will serve them while it's nice and hot. Okay everyone, let's go ahead to the best part of cooking. It's tasting our food. So I've cut our burrito in half so you can see what the inside looks like. That's what it is. Let me go ahead and add some lime. I'll squeeze some of my lime. Have a bite everyone. Okay, our bacon wrapped steak burrito. I first saw this kind of burrito in one of Mark Wynn's video. I think 5 months ago I saw him having this, and oh boy, I wanted to try it. So now I'm making it. Maybe I'm not making exactly the way it was done, but I can honestly say it's really nice with all the, you know, the spices and everything. The only thing my bacon was a little bit too thick. I need to get the thinner ones so it can wrap around the burrito quite well. But look, it's still okay. You know, I had to use some toothpick to secure, but I took it out and it looks all right. So good. Seriously guys, it's so good. I have one more bite. The cilantro, the lime, your sauce and everything, it just brings it home, I should say. Wow, really nice. It's quite nice with the bacon wrapped around as well. I've also got the normal burrito without the bacon. Everything's good. I hope you give it a go. Like I said, I saw him having that burrito and I wanted to make it myself, so here it is. I hope you enjoy cooking with me tonight. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks again everyone for all your support. I am here because of all of you, so there's nothing I could do but, you know, just say thank you on behalf of my family. I appreciate you all. May God bless you all and your families. Take care everyone and stay safe. Peace. See you again in the next episode. Bye for now.